Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a DOOGEE T40 Pro, and let me share with you how to add or remove a Google account in this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and here in this left section we have to scroll and find the passwords and accounts. Let's tap. So here we've got the section accounts for owner, and this is our Google account. So let me start with removing it. All we have to do is to tap on it and tap on remove account. Tap on remove account again, tap on OK to confirm, and enter the screen lock to confirm everything. And as you can see, our device will immediately remove the Google account from its memory. If you wish to add it, nothing easier, just tap on add account here and choose Google. Choose Google. Make sure that you've got the internet connection, of course, because it is required, and enter your screen lock to confirm everything. So here in this step you can either create a new account if you do not have your own yet, or simply type your email or phone. So let me do it and tap on next. And let's be patient, because as you can see it might take a while. So right here we have to enter the password, and after that simply tap on next. So here I've got the verification, so just give me a sec. Alright, so after tapping on next, you will see Google Terms of Service and Privacy Policy. You can tap on them to learn more and tap on I agree after reading. And as you can see, we just successfully added our Google account to this device. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.